Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Target online shopping errors, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. Visit the Target website by typing in the URL. If you're experiencing issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Access the browser settings to clear cache and cookies. Once cleared, reload the Target website. Log into your Target account by entering your credentials. If the login fails, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. After logging in, navigate to the shopping section. Start adding items to your cart as usual. If an error pops up during checkout, note the error message displayed. Check your payment method for any issues. Make sure the card information is entered correctly. Verify that you have sufficient funds in your account. If you have multiple payment methods, try a different one. Double-check your shipping address for any typos or inaccuracies. Ensure that the shipping address is valid and serviceable. Refresh the checkout page if problems persist. If you encounter an error code, search for it on Target's help page. Consult the FAQ section for common issues. If the website still does not respond, consider using the Target app. Download the app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Log into your account on the app. Try completing your purchase through the app. If the app also fails, uninstall and reinstall it. After reinstalling, log back in and attempt your purchase again. For persistent issues, contact Target customer service via chat or phone. Have your account information and error details ready when you call. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.